Berserk! The Advent. Yep, you thought things were already weird and messed up. You haven't seen nothing. So, you saw the other two reviews, and I'm gonna assume you saw the other two movies if you're watching this. So, the army, with Guts and Griffith, they're criminals now from the kingdom that they were serving. And Griffith has been tortured, and he's crippled. So, the Band of the Hawk goes and saves Griffith. They come back, and then things get weird. They end up in hell. That's what happens. They end up in hell. And they have to fight their way in hell. It's like Doom. What I really appreciate about this movie is how much it showed the breaking down of the naivety of our characters. His Guts, he looks up to Griffith. He thinks, this man is a hero. He's my friend. He's loyal. He's a good soldier. In this movie, it is made very clear that that is not the case. In the fact that we see this great soldiers fall from grace like the way we do, it's strong. And another thing this movie showed me is what this whole franchise of Berserk is really all about. It is about creepy God hand imagery and making you feel really, really uncomfortable. There are plenty of moments where you're on the edge of your seat and you're just shocked by what is happening. While the other two movies were about this drama and just these people trying to get through life and get to this goal, The Advent is about the cost of that goal. And it really does shine in that respect. This is a movie about one man sacrificing everything for his goal, and another man losing everything for that man's goal. I feel like everything really was leading up to this, and I really do appreciate that they were able to hold everything together like that. This movie goes like this crazy fantasy place that we hadn't really seen before. And some people would say that it doesn't really fit. And usually, in a lot of movies, they'd be right. But this movie really makes it work. The other two movies had these implications that showed us that there was this bigger world inside of the universe we were in. One problem I had was that the drama and the complexities of the characters didn't quite feel quite as realized here. This is still a great ending to this trilogy that totally works and makes perfect sense. And it will horrify and destroy you. So, if you're into that, then go watch it. I'm going to give Berserk, The Advent, an A.